Okay, hi there. So today we are going to be working on IEP goals for Jerónimo. We are only going to be doing the 9 instructional weeks for the next 4 weeks. So the way this is going to work is for this first goal, Jerónimo is going to be identifying the function of 7 common objects: the remote, the chair, the hat, book, shampoo, pencil, toothbrush, and toothpaste. So this is to increase vocabulary comprehension skills. So let me go ahead and show you. You have a tracker. You have a tracker in your packet. So this is your tracker. What I want you to do is on here, you are going to tell me, you're going to put a check mark if he identified that what a remote is used for. You're going to put a check mark if he identified what the chair is used for, the hat, so on and so forth. And then here you're going to just don't worry about that part. Just let me know if you had max prompts, just if he needed a lot of help, moderate prompts if he needed very little help, and minimum if he hardly needed any help. Here you're going to tell me how you helped him. Verbal, corrective feedback, meaning you had to remind him to stay on task. Gestural would be like doing sign language if you had to repeat. Model, so you're just going to be checking off what you used to teach him that. And then I will be worrying about the score. So I just want to know if he identified what the objects are used for. And you know what? Yeah, let's just worry about if he identified, if he identified the objects, and if he needed a lot of help, very little, or almost no help. Okay, so let me go ahead and it's telling you it's a trial. So this one's a trial, so you give him one practice and then you give him a test. But if it's too much, just give him one and that's fine. Don't worry. You don't have to fill it out. If anything, no. Okay, hi there. So for today, we will be working on IEP goals. So Jerónimo's first IEP goal is to identify the function of 7 common objects. So you have the remote, chair, hat, book, shampoo, pencil, toothbrush, and toothpaste. So here we have a tracker. This is where we will track his score. Don't worry about scoring it. Just if you can let me know if he identified what the remote is used for, what the chair is used for, and so on and so forth. It does have a trial and a test, but if he can only do one, which is either the trial or the test, that's perfectly fine. And if you can just make a note on here if he needed minimum help, a lot of help, or very little help. And then this is his worksheet. So let me go ahead and start. So with number 1, we have the television remote. The television remote is used for, is it to change the channel or to throw? So what is the television remote for? To change the channel or throw? Circle the correct answer. Number 2, the chair is to sit or to lay down. What is the chair for? Is it to sit or lay down? Answer the correct answer. Number 3, the hat is to wear on your head or to sit on it. So is it to wear on your head or to sit on it? Answer the correct answer. Number 4, the book is to throw or is it to read? Which one is it? Is it to throw or is it to read? Circle the correct answer. The shampoo is for your teeth or for your hair? What is the shampoo for? Is it for your teeth or for your hair? Circle the correct answer. Number 6, the pencil is to write or to put away. What is the pencil for? Is it to write or put away? Circle the correct answer. The toothbrush, is it for your teeth or for your hair? The toothbrush, is it for your teeth or for your hair? Circle the correct answer. Is it for teeth or hair? The toothpaste is to drink water or brush your teeth. What is the toothpaste for? Is it to drink water or brush your teeth? Circle the correct answer. For goal number 2, we are going to, let's see, right here it says adult modeling and a choice of up to 6 objects, pictures or objects of categories of clothes and transportation. Jeronimo will sort the pictures, objects by the category. So the same thing here. It has a trial and a test for clothes and transportation, but if you can only get through one, that's perfectly fine. Do not worry about the score. I'll go ahead and take care of that. So let's go ahead and start. Number 1. So it says the directions are circle all the objects that have wheels. So everything that has wheels. So let's see. We have car, we have, ball, truck, bicycle, basketball, bus, trailer, pants. Which of these have wheels? And in the second one, you are going to identify objects with clothing. So objects with clothing, you have baseball, pants, dogs, socks, shorts, swimming, shirt, shoes, wagon, pants, shirt, and bike. Circle everything that identifies objects with clothing. Okay, so for goal number 3, we are going to have Jeronimo sort basic shapes: circle, square, triangle, diamond, and rectangle by color. So let's see, by the end of 9 instructional weeks, again, when given verbal, visual, and model prompts, and we will identify point. He will point to basic shapes. So all I want Jeronimo to do is to identify circle, square, triangle, diamond, and rectangle. And here the same thing. I just want you to put a check mark if he identified it, and if he didn't, you can just put a line. Don't worry about the score. Don't worry about this or this. I will take care of that. So let's go ahead and begin with the. Let me go ahead and practice. So Jeronimo, we're gonna review the shapes. This is a triangle. What is this? This is a triangle. I'm not sure if you can see it. So that is a triangle. This is a rectangle. A rectangle. This is a square. A square. This is a diamond. Diamond. This is a circle. Circle. So now that we've reviewed the shapes, we are going to look at this. It's like a worksheet on your packet. So what I want you to do, all I want you to do is you're gonna ask him to identify, like for this one, have him point to, so okay, Jeronimo, I want you to go ahead and point to the circle. Which one's the circle? Is it this one or is it this one? Answer the question. So all I want him to do is to point, and this is, you don't have to write anything down or anything. You just check off if he identified the correct shape. Jeronimo, which one is the circle? This one or this one? Number 2. Jeronimo, can you find the triangle? Where is the triangle? Is it this one or this one? Point to the correct answer. And then, Jeronimo, where is the diamond? Can you find diamond? Is it this one or this one? I'm going to go back up to go over the other shapes we did not go. Jeronimo, can you find rectangle? Find rectangle. Go ahead and point to it. Is it this one or this one? Point to the answer. Show mommy which one's the rectangle. Go ahead and show mommy. Jeronimo, point to the square. Which one's the square? Okay, so that completes our IEP goals. If you have any questions, I am available from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. As soon as you're done, please take a picture, send it to me at your convenience, and I will submit a grade. Thank you.